Caught in the act. Understanding vandalism. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrases caught vandalizing or caught in the act of vandalism. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about the language, understanding these phrases is crucial. They not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you understand the news and conversations around you. Let's get started. When we say someone was caught vandalizing, we're talking about a situation where an individual is discovered in the process of damaging property that does not belong to them. Vandalism refers to the action of deliberately destroying or damaging public or private property. The phrase, caught in the act, implies that the person was discovered doing something wrong while they were still doing it. Vandalism can take many forms, such as graffiti, breaking windows, defacing public monuments, or damaging someone's car. It's important to note that vandalism is a criminal offense in many countries. This means that if someone is caught vandalizing, they may face legal consequences, including fines or even imprisonment. Being caught vandalizing is a serious matter. It can lead to various consequences, ranging from having to pay for repairs to facing criminal charges. The severity of these consequences often depends on the extent of the damage and whether the individual has committed similar offenses in the past. You might encounter the phrase, caught vandalizing, in news reports, stories, or discussions about law and order. It's a useful phrase for describing a specific illegal activity and the immediate consequences of that activity. For example, you could say, the teenager was caught vandalizing a school with graffiti. Understanding the phrase, caught vandalizing, helps you better comprehend the seriousness of the act and its implications. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of this phrase in the English language. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of its vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.